What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and today I'm going to tell you about a great deal I got and do a little unboxing of the Amazon Echo Dot. So I actually got this on sale, and the sale's not going on right now, unfortunately, but it does come back from time to time when Amazon wants to push their Amazon Music subscriptions. So what the deal is I essentially paid 99 cents for this if you buy a $7.99 Music Unlimited plan. So it comes out to about $9 or $10 total with tax and everything. And we got an Echo Dot for $1 or $10 if you want to count the music service, but that's pretty cool. Before we get started with the unboxing, if you're watching this, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. So if you like videos like this, tech tips, tricks, and cool stuff like that, please click on that sub button and join the fun. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing itself. This is the Echo Dot box. Add Alexa to any room. Let's look at the sides. Very nice. It does have Bluetooth and it has audio out. Kind of cool for their lowest model of the Amazon Alexa service. Kind of the cheapest entry point to still have those kinds of inputs and outputs is pretty cool. All the music services it supports. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and open up this. It has a very easy open package. I don't need the knife for this one. You just kind of grab this little tab and, well, maybe not so easy, but you can just basically pull that off and it opens up pretty easily. I guess I actually have to look at it to do it because I'm trying to look at the camera while I'm doing this. But yeah, it has a supposedly easy open piece right there. I'm just not good at opening things apparently. So we're going to open the top and take a look inside, and the dot is right there, right on top. So I'll go ahead and pull that out, and it's in a plastic. So I'll set this aside for now, and we'll go through what else is in the box. So we can see that it has a manual in here. So an Echo Dot manual. Yep, kind of shows you the setup instructions and things like that. Very nice. The next one is things to try. It's a little card of things you can say to Alexa to kind of test it out and see what it's like. Nice. And then underneath here, I'm assuming is the power brick and adapter. Yep, it's just kind of hanging out in there. There's no real casing or anything for that. It's just a box, which is kind of nice because they try and do their hassle-free packaging so that there's not a lot of waste. And there is not a lot of waste. It's just the charger itself on the bottom, the instructions and card between. I raised my butter knife that I used to open this. The instructions in between, and then the Alexa dot on top, the Echo Dot on top. So let's set the box aside, and I'll take a look at the charger first. So we have a 15-watt charger. I'll let that focus a little bit. And it's kind of a big boy. It's a little chunky boy, but it's not absolutely enormous either. It's just a little chunky. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let me find a seam here. Okay, so seams are at the bottom. So let's open this up. And then we'll just pull that off right there. So now it's nice and shiny. There's still one piece on it, so we're going to get to do a peel. Very nice. So we'll grab this. Nice. So we have our nice little Amazon 15-watt power brick here. And what kind of power brick is this? Let's see. Unfortunately, it is not a USB style power brick. It is actually a plug power brick. So this only works with the dot and potentially other 15-watt devices. Now let's look at the dot itself. So here's the top. It's still in the plastic packaging. I'll go ahead and take that off now. You just pull off the bottom, and then it just slides right out. Ooh, I almost dropped it. So this is the top. Very nice. This is the bottom here. Let's see. Like that. It looks a little bit dirty on camera, but it's actually not. It's very clean in person. What I think that is just because it's rubber. This is a rubber bottom. It actually picks up any kind of smudge or scratch. So on camera it looks a little bit smudgy, but it's really not. It's pretty nice. And then in the back there are two plugs right there, the power and an audio out. So we can plug the power into the back here and it just holds on like that. So yeah, there is the Echo Dot that I got for just 99 cents or $10 with the plan. I'll put a link to this in the description, so when it goes back on sale, you guys can check it out as well. The regular price fluctuates a lot, so if it's high right now, just give it some time, and it usually goes on sale, and you can get some good deals. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Peace. What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.